asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's hard.
Snap. Yo, YouTube, what's going on? Mr.Hustlehard back with you. And I guess I'm finna start fooling with this cutlass again. Guess I'll bring y'all another video on it. Hey, clean it up. But, yeah, shoot. I gotta do something again that I don't want to fool with. And man, that's these door pins on the passenger side. See, I changed one originally. I knew I should have just went on and done both of them like I did the driver's side. But yeah, what can I do now? Shoot, it's like one of the new pins, the new bushings that I put on the pin. It's like it wore out prematurely. I guess that's because I didn't change the bottom one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the bottom pin, change out the bottom pin, and change out the bushing on the top pin. Let me show y'all. All right, y'all. I know I need weather strip and shoot that. That's coming in the works. But yeah, see this pin right here, this is one I've changed already. Yeah, and that's still a factory pin. So I'm going. I just hate I gotta take this door off, man. It's heavy. But I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this door. Like I said, I gotta change the bushing. I gotta change this bushing right here. Yeah, that's what it seems to be wearing prematurely. Like I said, it wore prematurely apparently. So I'm gonna change that. And change out this pin entirely. I have the new pin right here, new bushing. And it comes with extra bushes as well, you know. So I'm gonna just use this top one up there for the top pin, because that's where it's supposed to be at anyway. It's a brass bushing at the top, and then you use the steel one at the bottom. So yeah, let me go ahead and get it going, y'all, and I'll tune y'all back in. All right, y'all. Now, as y'all see, I got this door off. And I gotta get this spring off. Which I kind of hate fooling with those, to be honest. But I wonder if I could just try to knock that down. No, I'm gonna have to pull that damn spring off. Shit. Yep, I gotta pull it off. That dude right there. Okay, and this pin, you can see. Oh, my bad. I ain't getting it, but it does have some. See that? Y'all, you'd be surprised with that little bit of movement to stop, man. I mean, yeah, sometimes it would be hitting it would hit too low on a striker, so that's the only reason I'm replacing this. Yeah, like I said, oh yeah, see, look right here. See, I knew it. That bushing, it ripped. So that's why I had to take the door off. And that's why I'm gonna replace this bushing as well. But shoot, let me yeah, let me. How did I get that spring off last time? I'm trying to remember how I got that spring off. Then yeah, I tune y'all back in, which I had to have these separated whatnot. Because on this dude, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this one off. You know, it's factory, so, and they have like 2 notches right there. So yeah, I'm gonna get this cut off, get this spring pulled, knocked out, and yeah, I'll tune y'all back in once I get ready to put it out back, put this back together and take it apart, put it back together. Once I get to a good spot. All right. All right, YouTube. Y'all see I got this pin cut out now. There go the remnants of it. So y'all gonna just knock this piece up, knock that piece on down. Then get ready to tap this on down. Oh, my bad, y'all. Son, all right, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna tap that pin down, knock these out like I said. Let's see if I can perform it on camera. All right. That's that one. I like to kind of keep my orientation. But yeah. Yeah, see it wobble. Yeah, y'all, it wobbled. Damn. The brass fence don't hold up for nothing, huh? Shit, y'all, I'm gonna have to finish this off camera. Alright, there we go. Got the old one out. Let's replace it with this one. Yeah. This bottom ferrule, I'm probably just gonna change that as well. Yeah, might as well, y'all. Might as well gonna change the bottom one too. This one may be a little tougher. Need 2 hands. Yep, y'all, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. All right, got that dude out. Press it back. Well, just knock it back in from the top. All right, y'all. Like that. That one's back. Now, to get that spring back on there, shoot, I watched a video on them on a little trick on how they got it back on there. Shoot, when I think about it, I ain't even probably didn't even have to take it off, but oh well, it's already off. All right, I got the pins. I got these handles on the right way. Yeah, that's true. Looking like so. Okay. Now I have the argue. Well, before I even think about putting that door back on, we'll try to put this spring back in. this dude right here, and I don't have that spring tool. I mean, if y'all watched my video from the last time when I did this, I used a C-clamp and some zip ties, and I got this compressed down, and I was able to stick it up in there and then cut the zip ties off. I'm gonna have to do that again, so I'm not gonna bore y'all with showing y'all that again because, like I said, it's on one of my first videos. But yeah, let me go and get this on, then shoot, I'll start that arduous task of handling that dough. Alright, y'all. Got it on. Got it done. Yeah. See, new pin, existing pin, new bushes on them. So I did a little bit of adjusting, y'all. First try. Yeah, don't mind. I'm gonna have to get either fix this or get another door. Rather just try to fix that first. I mean, that's out because I was there when I bought it. But anyway, yeah, shoot it. It's lining up decent. Could be a little bit better. You see right there. Yeah, it could be a little bit better, but I'm content with this right now. Like I said, it's not no short part, nothing, but it's not hitting the striker pin no more. It's closing like it's supposed to, y'all. So shit, I'm gonna go on ahead and end this video, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna end it. That's it. That's a wrap. And yes sir, put some muscle to your hustle. Yeah.